Today's mindfulness exercise is on guided imagery, a walk to the beach. So go ahead and find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a moment, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let your shoulders relax, your jaw soften, and your hands rest peacefully. Let your mind drift as we begin our journey to the beach. Picture yourself standing at the edge of a soft, sandy path. The air around you is warm and gentle, carrying a faint, salty breeze that whispers of the ocean ahead. Tall dunes covered in swaying seagrasses surround you, and the golden light of the sun dapples through scattered clouds above. Each step you take along the path feels easy and light, your feet sinking slightly into the soft sand. Notice the crunch of the grains beneath your shoes, or perhaps you're barefoot, feeling the warmth of the sand against your skin. You can hear the distant sounds of waves crashing rhythmically against the shore, growing clearer with every step you take. As you walk, take in the vibrant scenery around you. Dunes rise and fall like gentle waves themselves, their curves framed by bright wildflowers in yellows, purples, and white. Small birds fly through the air, their calls blending with the sound of the ocean. Along the path, you notice scattered seashells and pieces of driftwood nestled in the sand. The path curves gently, and as you round the bend, the sound of the waves becomes louder and more distinct, inviting you closer. Stepping off the path, the sand becomes finer, cooler, and softer. You reach the top of the final dune, and before you stretches the vast, endless ocean. The horizon is a shimmering line where the sky meets the sea, painted with hues of blue and white. The sun casts golden sparkles on the water surface, like tiny diamonds dancing with each wave. Breathe in deeply, taking in the full scent of the salty sea air. The sound of the waves is soothing and rhythmic, as though the ocean is breathing with you. Notice how it feels to be here, fully present. Take your first steps onto the soft, warm sand, feeling its gentle embrace beneath your feet. A light breeze carries the fresh scent of the sea and brushes against your skin. To your left, rugged rocks extend into the water, where tide pools glimmer with clear, shallow water and reveal small, fascinating marine life. To your right, the beach stretches out into a graceful curve, inviting you to explore its quiet expanse. As you walk along the shoreline, the cool, foamy water playfully meets your feet. As you walk along the shoreline, the cool, foamy water playfully meets your feet, leaving a refreshing sensation. With each step, you leave a delicate footprint, only to be softly washed away by the waves. Scattered seashells of various shapes and colors glisten in the sunlight, waiting for you to admire or collect. This peaceful moment connects you deeply with the natural beauty around you. Here, find a comfortable place to sit. Perhaps you choose a soft patch of sand, or maybe you settle on a smooth driftwood log. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, as though it's wrapping you in a comforting embrace. The ocean stretches endlessly before you, its waves rolling and crashing in a soothing rhythm. Close your eyes for a moment and listen. Hear the sound of the waves, the rustle of the breeze through the seagrass, and the distant calls of the birds. Let these sounds wash over you like a gentle tide, bringing you a deep sense of peace. When you're ready to leave this serene place, stand once more and take a final look at the ocean. Feel the gratitude for the beauty, the peace, and the calm it has brought you. Slowly turn back toward the sandy path, retracing your steps. With each step away from the beach, bring with you the calm and tranquil energy of this place. The sound of the ocean fades into the background, but the sense of peace remains with you, ready to be called upon whenever you need it. Take one more deep breath in and out. And as you continue to breathe, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing your awareness back to the room. And when you're ready, you may open your eyes, carrying the calm and serenity of the beach with you throughout the rest of your day. Namaste.